Before we begin, please click like, subscribe, and notify button to get the most recent updates and information from our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the removal of KAAA ransomware. Please keep in mind that free file decryption tools are not yet available. Hence, it is important to immediately get rid of the virus to avoid further damage to your files. If you would like to try your luck on free decryption tools that were previously available from computer security experts, we will discuss them in the later part of this guide or in an accompanying procedure. KAAA ransomware is a type of malicious software designed to block access to a computer system or files until a sum of money is paid. At this point in time, the people behind KAAA ransomware are asking for $980 from their victims in exchange for a so-called decryption key. This type of malware often encrypts the victim's files, rendering them inaccessible, and typically demands payment in cryptocurrency for decryption. KAAA ransomware attacks can occur through various vectors, including phishing emails, malicious downloads, or exploiting vulnerabilities in software. Succumbing to ransom demands does not guarantee the recovery of files. Thus, computer security experts do not suggest paying the ransom money. In order to effectively remove KAAA ransomware from the infected computer, please follow the procedures as explained in this tutorial video. This procedure to remove the ransomware from the computer is divided into two options. The first one is automated removal, where no complex method is used. You just need to download an effective security program and run a scan to automatically get rid of the virus. The second alternative is manual removal, where you have to access, delete, or modify system files. We do not recommend this for non-technical computer users, as it may cause serious damage to the computer when not properly executed. Important things to consider before removing the ransomware. Isolate the infected computer. Disconnect the infected computer from the network, including the internet, to prevent the ransomware from spreading to other devices or servers on your network. This step helps contain the infection and limits its impact. Detached external drives. Do not connect any drives, such as USB, memory sticks, or backup drives that contain important data. The ransomware may also encrypt the files on these drives if they are attached to the infected computer. Backup important files. If possible, create backups of important files, whether they are encrypted or not. Store these backups on an external drive or in the cloud. Having backups ensures that you can recover essential data when the decryption tool is made available. Work offline. After downloading the necessary tools and scanners, it is better to disable the Wi-Fi or internet connection on an infected computer to prevent the virus from executing remote commands. To proceed with the scan and remove option, please click the link in the description to download Combo Cleaner. After downloading Combo Cleaner, proceed to the download folder. Double-click on the downloaded file to start installing Combo Cleaner on your computer. During the initial setup, please run the installation procedure in the default settings. After completing the installation wizard, click Finish to launch the Combo Cleaner program. The tool will start updating the database. Please let it complete the download proceedings. This is necessary to scan and remove recent malware threats. Downloading and installing the updates may take a while. Please be patient. After updating the Combo Cleaner database, the tool will start with a scan to find any kind of threat that may be present on your computer. After the scan, Combo Cleaner will display the result as shown in the video. Click on the Remove All Threats button to start cleaning the computer. If you are presently a premium user, please enter your activation key. Otherwise, click the Buy Now button to proceed with the threat removal and start protecting your computer with this effective security program. Before you proceed with the manual removal of the ransomware, please hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the most recent computer security issues. To carry out the manual removal, please proceed to the tutorial video on the right. It will walk you through the manual removal of the ransomware and its corresponding files that are located on the computer. Also included in that video are alternative virus scanners as well as possible file recovery options.